In this guide, you'll learn how to fix video processing delays in YouTube. First thing you want to do is check video size and quality. Larger videos or higher resolution videos can take longer to process. If your video is particularly large, consider reducing its resolution before uploading or give it time to finish processing, as YouTube will prioritize lower quality versions before higher ones. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable during the upload process. Slow or unstable connection can cause uploads to take longer or fail. Try uploading the video with a stronger connection if possible. Likewise, re-upload the video. Sometimes upload errors can cause delays in processing. If you have been waiting for a long time and the video is still not processing, re-uploading the video might resolve the issue. Next, check the server status of YouTube. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website like Untitled Chapter, search for YouTube. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Use a different browser or device. Sometimes browser or device-specific issues can affect video processing. If you are facing delays, try uploading or viewing the video from a different browser or device to see if that resolves the issue. Next, optimize video encoding settings. YouTube recommends using the H.264 video codecs and ACC audio codecs for better upload performance. If you are using a different format, YouTube might struggle to process the video efficiently. You can use video editing software to optimize the encoding settings before uploading. If you have tried all the above steps and your video is still stuck, contact YouTube support. They might be able to help resolve any issues on their end. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.